चैप्टर 4 क्लोज वी वेयर। इस टॉपिक के बारे में आप लोगों को पहले ही दे दिया गया है। इस पे बेस्ट कुछ क्वेश्चंस है। दीज आर एक्सरसाइज। पहला है टिक द करेक्ट आंसर। पहला कह रहा है क्लोथ आर मेड अप ऑफ, तो वो होगा फाइबर। द नेशनल ड्रेस ऑफ जापानीज वुमेन इज किमोनो। द वी कीप these and between the fold the woolen clothes protect them from the moth, silverfish and the pit like rat and cockroach to nylon balls. True, false. We wear cotton and light colored clothes in summer season. Yes, true. We wear woolen and dark colored clothes in rainy season. False. Nylon clothes will dry very quickly. True. Clothes should be put in the sun before storing. Yes. And the national dress of Indian women is kimono. False. Match the columns: cotton, plant fiber; silk, silkworm; wool, sheep and nylon, man-made fiber. अब आते हैं हम लोग इसके क्वेश्चन से शॉर्ट एंड लॉन्ग पर। चलिए, लेट मी सी द शॉर्ट आंसर। राइट द शॉर्ट आंसर। पहला क्वेश्चन कह रहा है व्हाट आर द टू टाइप ऑफ क्लोथिंग फाइबर। देयर आर टू टाइप ऑफ क्लोथिंग फाइबर्स। These are natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Number 2, why do students of different school wear different clothes? Different school children wear a different clothes so that they can be recognized as the students of a particular school. What do people working in the factories wear over their clothes to prevent their clothes from getting dirty? Because of workers of dress in the comfortable clothing covered with a bright reflection washed from the safety purpose. What is the national dress of Indian women? Sari is the national dress of Indian women. What should be done with torn clothes? If clothes are torn, they should be mended. यानी फटे तो उसे में सिल देना चाहिए. Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes for the protection against we weather, insects, dust and dirt. They also made us look smart. What is the difference between the natural fiber and synthetic fiber? Natural fiber are obtained from the plant or animal. Synthetic fiber are prepared artificially and they are also called man-made. Natural fiber like cotton, jute, linen are found in nature. Synthetic fiber like nylon, rayon, polyester are the not found in nature. Natural clothes are more comfortable to wear. Synthetic fiber dry very quickly. Why do we wear cotton cloth in summer? We wear cotton cloth in summer because cotton cloth absorbs sweat, allow the air to pass freely, thus keep us body cool. When should we wear dark clothes and why? In winter we wear thick and dark color clothes made of the wool for leather because they protect us from the cold and absorb heat and keep us body warm. How can we take care of our clothes? We need to take care of our clothes. We should wash and iron our clothes regularly. If clothes are torn, they should be made. Before storing and packed clothes, they should be dried in the sun to kill germs. And last, Napoleon balls should be put between the fold of woolen clothes, protect them from moths, rats and cockroaches. चलिए इस वीडियो के लिए थैंक यू। इसे देख के अपने कॉपी में कर लीजिए।